Do not pray like everyone. Sanuthandaza njengawonke wonke.
Amen.
Umzalwana akathandaze ngamuntu wonke. Wonke umuntu abantu uyathandaza. Let me just make it simple for you. Andithi abantu bathandaza abaphansi? Bathandaza enyangeni. Abantu bathandaza abantu bazokhona izandla bathandaza. Bathandaza ecaweni. Kodwa nina nibizwa ngegama lika Jesu. Please be different and sanusifanisa. Ibanga ncinci. Ibanga ncinci. Uyozoyikhalisa ukuthi ibanga ncinci. Kufuneka lehluke. Xa uzothandaza, there's a certain attitude that you must have. Yeah. Awuzofuna ukuthi attitude kahle kahle uqala uthandaza. Khona indlela efana lezithathe ngayo. Eyokuqala sanifana wonke wonke. Sikhule uthandaza emakhaya wethu, sikhule uthandaza ngaphi nasesikoleni. But masosindisiwe, there's a certain way that you should pray. You must adopt a certain attitude when it comes to prayer. Don't be like hypocrites, because even hypocrites, they will pray. Abahananisi bayathandaza. One, under this this point, your attitude, your motive. Yeah, now the camera right. Your motive must be different. Emotive, you learn to about uthandazelani. It will be different. Motive. Your motive must be clear. Uthiwa hypocrites zona into ezithandazela zifuna ukubona. Uthiwa benza nobhayibhile wami. Lo ungafuna uhleli phansi masithanda.
And when you pray, do not be like the hypocrites.
Yeah.
For they love to pray standing in the synagogues.
Motive yabo bafuna ukubona because they love praying standing in the synagogue. Into abafuna ukuyibona bafuna ukubona, bathanda ukuthandaza bemile. Hayi wonke umuntu othandaza emile apha unemotive yokubona. Aba imotive yabo le, injongo yabo. Xa bemile bona bafuna ukubona. It's not the physical action, it is the motive.
Oh yeah.
Bathanda ukuma bethandaza bemile ecaweni. Reason, continue.
For they love to pray standing in the synagogues and on the street corners to be seen by others.
Nansi reason. Bafuna nebona abophela abantu. If I can give you a study about hypocrites, those guys were very good to impressing people. Kuthiwa babefuna ndawo lapho khona khona wenze baphatha khona bafuna kalezo ndawo